Hi, my name is Christian with Ace Appliance out of Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. So today we're working on a top-load Maytag washing machine. The customer's complaint is that it stops mid-cycle. I already diagnosed it as it needs a new control board. I tested several components last time. It came back to the main control board had the error in it. So we're replacing the main control board today. What you will need for this repair is a 1/4 inch nut driver. First thing we want to do is there are a few 1/4 inch screws that hold on a panel in the back here. You want to go ahead and remove them. There's 3 that hold on the panel, and there's 2 that hold top from sliding. So altogether you're going to remove 5 screws right now from the back. Okay, so once you remove the 5 screws, you want to go ahead and open the little bit, get a grasp of the front here, the whole front panel here. Pull it towards you, lift up, push back, and it will unlatch there. Next thing you want to do, you can use a flathead blade screwdriver or a putty knife. There's mushroom clamps here that hold the front console in place. You want to go ahead and push those in so the top console will come off. Once you've done so, of course, you want to start off by unplugging the unit here. So once you've done that, this whole panel will lift right towards you. Alright, so this is the board that we're going to be replacing. First thing we want to do is take off all these connections. They are keyed, they only fit one way, so it doesn't matter where you take them off from. Be careful though, when you take them off you could bend wires, break them. You don't want to do that. So go ahead and start taking off the connections. They can be a little difficult to do. Once you have all the connections off, don't forget the pressure tube. Pull it off. Once they're all off, there are 2 1/4 inch screws that hold the actual control board to the console here. Go ahead and remove both of them. You can pull the knob straight off. There's nothing that holds the knob or the panel, the control board on the panel in the front. So you can just go ahead and remove the knob, pull it straight off. It's keyed to go on one way only. Once you've done that, lift the control board up, tilt at an angle, pull out. It's that easy. Now to reinstall the new panel with, you want to go ahead and make sure everything lines up. Here's the LEDs that line up to the little holders here. And then here's the button, the push button. So, of course, make sure it's slotted in. Push down, you can wiggle it, it's not wiggling too much. Once you have it in place, go ahead and reinstall the 2 1/4 inch screws that hold it in place. It's plastic, so don't turn too hard or over tighten. You can break the little clips that mount the control board onto the panel. So once the new control board is mounted in place, we can go ahead and start inserting the wire connectors. Like I said, they're keyed to go only one way, so there's no way you can get them confused. Once all the wires are in the correct positions, you want to go ahead and reinstall it. Tabs going first. Okay, once the tabs are in, you can go ahead and push down on the mushroom clips on the front, and they'll snap in place. So once you have the front on there, you want to go ahead and reinstall the top lid assembly here, lid panel. You want to go ahead and pull all the way towards you, push down, slide back. You're all set. The knob is keyed to go on only one way. Go ahead and line it up correctly. Go ahead and push down. It's that easy. Next thing is the 5 screws that hold the top from moving and the control panel cover on. Once everything's reinstalled, we want to go ahead and plug it in. The new control board will come with an instruction sheet on how to put it through diagnostics so you can recalibrate the machine. Something that has to be done when you replace the main control board on this specific model. So we're going to go ahead and put it in diagnostics right now. Once you've entered diagnostics, every LED except the lid lock will flash to let you know you've successfully entered diagnostics. Once you've done so, to recalibrate the unit, you want the rinse LED to be illuminated only. Once so, go ahead and push the start button. The recalibration takes between 3 and 5 minutes. So we have successfully replaced the main control board for the unit, recalibrated, and the leak test, everything checks out fine. So that's how you successfully replace the main control board on this Maytag Centennial front or top load washer. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.